So I got this package in the mail today. Not yet. I'm gonna open it up because this is my first one. Let's see if you guys can see the label. See what that label says? All right, so we're gonna open this Bible up because this is my first. R.L. Allan and Son Publishers. This is a gift from a friend and patron of this channel. And I'm super excited. I want to open it up and take a look at it. So we're going to film that as it goes. All right, just in case you didn't see that label, I'm pretty excited. So I want to open this with you guys. R.L. Allan and Son from the UK. This is a huge gift. Let's open her up and see what we have in here. Oh man. Let's get some scissors. I know the anticipation's killing you. The package is good, didn't they? Plenty of bubble wrap. There it is. ESV NC1 NB first look. This is for my friend Jason. Jason, this gift, you have no idea how much it means to me. Beautiful box. We will do a full review of this. This is just the first look, unboxing. Ooh, she's pretty. Like, I don't even want to tear the paper, it's so pretty. Well, paper's gonna have to get torn. There we go. Oh man, look at that. That is an R.L. Allan, an ESV, R.L. Allan NC1, Highland goat skin. Man, this sucker's pretty. I gotta smell it. It even smells good. Do a quick first look here. Woo. This is way prettier in person than any picture I've ever seen. Three beautiful ribbons. We'll pull one of them out. Full yap, almost full yap. It even comes mostly trained up. All right, this has just been a quick unboxing of one of the nicest Bibles that's in production, honestly. If you've been watching this and you're like, why the heck is this guy so excited? R.L. Allan Bibles are one of the nicest Bibles that you can buy. Just the paper quality, the cover quality. This is a fantastic, top-notch Bible that will last generations and generations. It's laid out beautifully. The page is like a beautiful, like almost cream color. It just is really super pretty. It's nice to read, and this is my first. I've wanted an R.L. Allan for years, and so I really thank you. Jason, if you're watching this, this is a huge gift, man, and I'm excited to pay it forward someday. Stay tuned for the full review in a couple of weeks. I like to spend a couple of weeks with them before I do a full review. So until the full review comes out, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see the full reviews that are coming up in the weeks to come.